so pretty. Coco needs more sprinkles. You want to
giant slime?
Hi guys, so today my dad and I are going to be making birthday cake slime.
In our KitchenAid mixer.
You will need marshmallows, vanilla, powdered sugar, and oil.
First, we have to... First, we have to melt the marshmallows. We're going to do that in our microwave.
We had an accident. Oh my gosh. Hold on. We got to fix this.
Okay, so Mama's trying.
This is kind of, look, it's really slimy and it's getting there. Oh my gosh, look at how slimy.
And we haven't even added any of the ingredients yet.
I know. It's really going to be awesome. Look at that.
Look at our microwave. Yeah. That's so cool.
I know. It's one ingredient of slime. No. Okay.
Look at our microwave.
We got that mess cleaned up. Shown the product. So it's all melted. And now we're getting ready to put it in the mixer. But first, which mixer blade do you think would be best to use? I think we should use the hook. Everybody agrees? Okay, we're using the hook. Okay, well, Dad's putting the hook in. I'm going to spray it with Pam so it hopefully won't stick too bad.
I love
Is it
the
in there?
smell of it.
It's in there.
Okay. All right, so then we're going to add our we added a tablespoon of oil to the marshmallow and stirred that in. Dad's going to add the marshmallow, the melted marshmallows into the mixer. All right. Then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon vanilla. If a little bit more goes in, it's not a big deal. Okay. So put that in. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar to start. And then we'll add more as we need it. Okay. So go ahead and let's get the mixer started.
Okay. Drop it down.
Okay.
Okay, we want to make sure we lock it in so that it doesn't jump around as it's spinning. Okay, and then I'm going to start just with the lowest setting, which is stir.
All right, so we let that mix for a little bit and we'll add in some more.
That looks so cool.
Some more powdered sugar.
Go. Just a little bit more.
That was like another 1/4 cup. Maybe a little bit more.
So that's 1 cup of powdered sugar so far.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Whoa!
Okay, so I'm gonna get the slime out and give you guys each some.
Yes.
All right.
Sounds good.
And then you can make it birthday cake.
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, I don't know. Which piece do you want? There's so much to
I want
choose
the
from.
bigger piece.
The bigger one. Nah, you don't want it. Do you want it?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. There's your piece. Woo! And there's your piece.
It's so cool.
Okay. So mix it up and then add your sprinkles.
This is so cool.
And if you need a little bit more powdered sugar, if it's still sticky, just get a little bit from there and put it in your dish.
We need a lot of sprinkles.
Yes.
How you doing, Dad?
It's coming together.
I'm
Not
gonna
too
add,
sticky on my fingers.
and now I'm gonna add my sprinkles.
Lots and lots of sprinkles.
We'll just do that for now because we don't want to add too much. Okay.
Looking good.
He's gonna add more sprinkles.
More sprinkles. And then Knead it.
Knead it like you need it. Just kidding.
I am using a bread dough kneading technique. You smush it, you flip it a quarter turn.
You're weird.
You don't usually add sprinkles to bread dough, but then you flip, smush, turn, flip, smush, turn, flip.
You make lots of bread?
A little bit, not a lot.
CoCo needs more sprinkles.
Sounds like enough sprinkles. We don't eat sprinkles that often. So, and it feels really weird in this. Feels like you just added like a whole bunch of like, I don't know. Feels like your hands just like fell asleep kind of.
Let me see. I want to play with your, oh my gosh.
It feels so weird.
That is so cool. It's birthday cake slime. Just in time for Dad's birthday. Oh my gosh. Look at, let's make a little.
Mommy. I know what I want as my birthday cake. I want birthday slime.
How's your slime coming, honey?
Mine is looking good, but
Oh my gosh. It looks amazing.
This is cool.
This is Dad's. Look at that. Oh my
I'm
gosh.
excited to eat this.
sprinkly. Yeah, but it's tasty.
Look at that. So pretty. Edible slime.
Now we got our slime all done.
Have you guys ever made edible slime? If so, what kind?
Now we're gonna eat it.
All right. Mmm.
Does it taste like birthday cake?
Yeah.
I just took a tiny bite.
Take a slime bite. Slime it up there and take a bite.
Ready? It's gonna come all the way up.
A slime bite.
Dang it, I can't get it.
Oh my gosh.
It broke.
Oh my gosh.
Tastes really good.
Oh my gosh. Slime birthday cake. Mmm, delicious.
Mhm. Bye.
It's happening.
What?
It's happening right now.
What's happening?
It's happening.
What?
It's happening.
No!
Smush.
No!
It's happening.
Whoa.
It's happening.
Ah! Feed it to me.
You want to buy? You want to buy?
Giant slime.
This one.
Is it Daddy's turn for some giant slime? Should Dad eat it? Should Dad eat it? It's birthday cake slime. Come on, Dad.
Bye.
Bye.